Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today our topic is film review writing. What is film review writing? Writing a movie review is a great way of expressing your opinion of a movie. The purpose of most movie reviews is to help the reader in determining whether they want to watch, rent, or buy the movie. The review should give enough details about the movie that the reader can make informed decision without giving away an essential such as a plot or any surprises. We are going to discuss about the steps, about the techniques, about the elements, what makes you easy to write a review. You're welcome in your beloved channel Study with Khaula. Let's start today's video without time wasting. The first question comes in your mind, why we should write movie review, film review. As a literature student, it's broad your vision. It develops your perspective. It develops your viewing skills. It develops your writing skill. So it's very important. Important diagram. This diagram will make help you if you're writing a film review or a book review. So these are the important elements. Name, what is the name of your movie, what is the type of your movie, what is the genre of your movie, director names, actor names, main character names and their backgrounds, acting, special effects, topic of the book, recommendations, summary of the plot. This is the main element. And now I'm going to guys, what we're gonna do, we will discuss 10 techniques helps you in writing review. Watch the movie first step. The first step is writing the reviews to watch the movie completely. Watch the movie in a relaxed environment you are familiar with. No disturbance at all. You do not want to be distracted by an unfamiliar room. Watching the movie a second time will help you to absorb it, to cover it, to look it into it. More details about the movie. Most movie viewers take notes as they watch the movie. They write down the important steps in their notebooks. So this is the first technique you're going to follow. So the second technique of writing a film review is personal opinion. Most movie review will give their opinion of the movie. This is so important. The reviewer can express the elements of the movie they enjoy or dislike. It's important. It's tell about your disliking and liking. In good journalism, the reviewer should also give impartial, allow the reader to make their own mind over an issue the reader liked or disliked. Opinions should be explained to allow the reader to determine whether they would agree or not with the movie aspects, with the movie characters, with the movie storyline. So this is also very important step. So guys, let's discuss technique number 3. Who is your audience? It's a very basic question and very important question. You need to consider who your likely readers are. Writing a movie review for children requires a different approach than if writing for a movie. It's different approach. Your report depends on your likely audience. Maybe they are children, maybe they are adults and they belong to older age. So your report depends on your audience. So you must be very careful about your selection and writing a review. So guys, let's discuss technique number 4. Writing an outline. What is an outline? For example, if you see a book, table contents, no more details. So give the outline of the movie same like that, but don't give any essential information such as the end or any suspense or surprise or climax. If there is a big surprise, you will to a secret from the reader and take them time to understand the whole thing. Technique number 5, actors. Actors are very important in movie. They act, they perform. If the movie contains actors, as most to detail who are performing, what are their backgrounds, and what are their acting skills, and how they will you think they acted in the movie. Their actions are very important thing of noticing. Move to technique number 6, structure. Structure is very important to visit, to look at into it. Did the movie follow a regular structure or storyline, or this is different from other movies? So you're gonna have to notice and carefully write in your movie writing review. Technique number 7. What is this? Cinematography and lightning. Give about details about how well the movie was shot and directed. What was the lighting good in the movie scenes? The lighting is good enough to watch the movie, and basically it's about the focusing. Different types of lighting, the red, yellow, and green. What are their purposes? You have to notice in your film writing review. Technique number 8, music. Music is very essential in the movie, and it's attracted the viewer and the reader to watch the movie fully. Music has different types, like some music makes you happy, some music makes you cry, some makes you sad, some makes you enjoyable and fill your inner with happiness. So you guys have to notice while you are watching a movie. It's a comedy movie, it's a sad movie, it's a terrible, horrible, and thriller movie when you are writing a review, so it's very important to notice. Guys, let's discuss technique number 9, be interesting. Just because it's a movie review does not mean it's going to be dull. From the lead to ending paragraph, make the review engaging using metaphors, specific adjectives, and adverbs in your movie ratings and reviews to create the image you are looking for. But also be brief. When someone going to read your review, they will be surprised and they will and feel that this is interesting and we have to gonna read and we have gonna watch in your comments in your notebooks, so it's quite be interesting. Technique number 10. This is the last technique we are going to study. Read, 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 and check your movie review thoroughly. It can be embarrassing and boring to find your errors. To find your errors in your work is time taking. But you guys remember that it's gonna be published. It's gonna be review for someone else. So you have to very careful about your mistakes. This is especially important for reviewers that they gonna check, they gonna present their work in front of others on internet or some book or some theater. So your review should be very important aspect to judge your movie, to look at your work. So always follow the last step, and all these 10 steps makes your review better, interesting. Thank you guys. My last message is kindly subscribe my channel Study with Khaula. Comment in the comment section, tell me your opinions, and if you like my videos, don't forget to share my channel with others. We will meet with another video, inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Don't forget to press the bell icon as well.